nothing.
Well, we're going to talk about why there's nothing. Are you going to listen to me?
Yeah.
Okay. So God gave us, look at me. God gave us the book of lists so we could think about